Good afternoon, I'm Michelle Park here with the latest weather forecast. Although the rain has cleared and the sun is out nationwide, but strong winds are expected, so things will feel much colder today. Now, dry weather conditions continue as well, with the dry weather alert in effect over in the east coastal regions in both Gyeongsang-do provinces. Now, although we started off with a cold morning, temperatures are on the rise, with some regions topping out into the teens. However, we'll cool down this evening, and by tomorrow, Seoul can expect the lows below the freezing point. And to our readings for today, Seoul will peak at 11 this afternoon. Meanwhile, the southern cities such as Gwangju and Busan will reach up to 13 and 16 degrees. And to other regions, Jeju Island peaks to 14, while Dokdo hits 10, while Mount Kumgang will be a bit higher at 12 degrees. Well, that's all for now. I'm Michelle Park. Now here's a look at the weather conditions around the world.